So, hello everyone. We are on episode 4 of Home Minister, and we have DRRE Rotarian Rotractor Rahesh Dhoni and his wife Avantika Mathur, ma'am. So, I welcome you to our show, and ma'am, you too. So, first, firstly, we would like to start on just tell us about yourself. What do you do? First, you can go, Rahesh, and then Avantika, ma'am can go.
Okay. All right. So I'm a serial entrepreneur. I'm an actually engineer by qualification, but serial entrepreneur by profession and vocation. And basically now overall I do business advisory. So I help companies and I do boutique business consulting, helping companies scale and grow their businesses.
Okay, wow.
And then I do road tracking.
Yeah, obviously. That's great. And you?
Okay, I am an artist by profession. So I do canvas paintings, I do street art, I do body painting, and I like everything related to art. I am working on. I do art consultancy as well. So there is a lot of things. So just I'm an artist, like altogether. That's right.
Okay, that's really great. So on public demand, we have seen your Instagram page and everything. How do you manage to do so much of like in everything and utna perfection say? Like how do you manage to do that?
I think it's years of practice. I've been drawing since I was very young. It's something that I've always loved doing, and I believe that. And I am my biggest critic, so I feel like, oh, I need to get better. I need to get better. I need to get better. So there's a lot of practice again. Like I wasn't like that before. Even I used to look at my paintings before. I'm like, this is not done by me. So like it's always improving, right? So I guess it's still not there yet. Like hopefully you stay tuned. It's gonna get better and better.
Yes, we are. Okay, so Rahesh, what is your favorite memory in Rotract?
All right, favorite memory for me in Rotract. I think it's a very tough call. It's a very, very, very tough call. Um so I'm going to brief it into two categories. I have one favorite memory where, as a platform, what I was able to do with the platform, and that was during my presidential year. Came out with a No Makeup October video, which went viral and all of that. So that moment when I woke up, months later, and I got an email from Menaka Gandhi saying that, while the Rotary Club, what you guys did, is really drawn attention to, the central government. So that was definitely one crazy memory. But as a road track journey for me, I think one of my craziest memory was the day Shardul spoke to me and asked me to be a part of his core team in the year. It was Nikhil's year, 17, 18 is when I think, yeah, that would be like my favorite memory.
Wow, that's really great. Like I can relate to you, not the fact that I've reached that level, but obviously someday everyone wishes to be at that level, I guess. And even hopefully we all will succeed in our life.
Definitely,
Okay.
definitely.
So we are going to play a small game with you, Rajesh, first. So what you have to do, you have to be a little quick and smart. You have to go to your
Okay.
kitchen. Since हमने VP meet में देखा है, you cook really good, and I guess you will be familiar with your kitchen. So you have to get 5 things that are starting from a letter B.
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 B for
B for
Bombay.
ball.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I will
Okay.
do it now.
Yeah. I will set the timer. You have 1 minute, and you have to get 5 things starting from B. And ma'am, you cannot help.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So we
Right.
are starting. Okay. 3, 2, 1, start.
Go, 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 go. This is really fun. I like this game.
So do you think like who is more familiar to kitchen, you or him?
Both, we both are like great. He's a fantastic cook, and I am like, so we both like cooking. So we do alternate cooking. So pretty much alone. Yeah. But
Wow.
like intricate things, there are small things that I help around. Like, but basically we know around.
That's great.
Which is
That's
great.
great.
I love that. Do you cook?
Lockdown की वजह से yes. Before lockdown no.
Lockdown में तो everybody has become a chef. Like
Exactly.
literally, like everybody's posts have become amazing, and then they're all
Everybody
cooking like
has a food blog now.
stuff. Yeah, everybody's a food blogger now. Yes.
I got
Yay!
5 things with me.
Exact one. It is exact 1 minute.
Okay. So I bought a bottle of water,
Okay. Okay.
a banana,
Wow. Definitely.
a butter knife, butter, and a bowl.
Yay!
Okay. Wow. Okay. So we are done with our section 1. Moving to our section 2. Firstly, tell us about your Rotaract experience, and then we would expect you to add some of the element, like how did you feel that now starting from the club level now to DRRA, that is DRR to be next year. How's that affected you? How do you feel? So first we'll hear it from you, how it was, how do you feel right now, and then ma'am, we can go to you.
All right. So the experience for me to, climb the ladders of Rotaract, I'll be very blunt. I'll be very honest. It's a talk show. So I actually thought my Rotraction would be up till president and not beyond that. And then when I was the president, then वो चस्का लग गया कि यार council में जाना चाहिए, council अच्छा लगता है, council looks fun, and moreover, the people who you start becoming really close friends with, even from other clubs, everyone starts planning their council journey. कि next year मुझे भी council जाना है, so then it becomes like a unanimous thing कि सब साथ में जाते हैं. And वो टाइम पे आदिल ZRR था, तो and first ZRR था zone 1 का. And मेरे को यार I had that thing कि यार ZRR बनना चाहिए, ZRR में मजा आएगा, like and thank God I didn't become a ZRR now that I think about it, like but वो टाइम पे ZRR बनने का बहुत ये था. And then I applied for council. Council went. I mean, I joined. I was given avenues. Avenues was something that I never thought I will ever take in. But then I got avenues, and I got ED as the avenue to work with. And then from there, I started realizing that even a council journey is equally as challenging. Like when you sit on the other side as a club member, you think council is is this really rosy package, but then when you go on the other side of the table, that's when you realize that oh wow, यहाँ पे इतना सब कुछ करना पड़ता है, इतना अलग level का सोचना पड़ता है. I'm sorry, Chester is feeling a little left out that he's not part of this. He's come to show his presence. So you change your outlook, as a council member. Like before, when you think only about, you always have to think about, say, the 30-40 members in your club and their well-being. When you become a council member, all of a sudden every club is the same to you. It's like a parent. You don't have a favorite child, and you have to somehow look to create something that is a well-being for all, say, 50 clubs in the district. Even if it's in a particular avenue, it has to be, it should make sense for all 50 clubs. So your outlook changes, your outlook towards Rotaract changes, the way you start working changes, and then the core journey started. And it's my 3rd year in the core district core. Core journey is even more challenging because the buck stops at you, because every decision at the end of the day, it's like कुछ नहीं तो DRR प्रेसेक पे कोर को ही फांसी पे लटकना होता है, because if anything goes wrong, it is the core only who's at the end of the day responsible for that. So that journey has been fantastic. And then there was this time when it was during Nikita's Nikita's year is when I had a conversation with the past DRRs, and they were all poking that finger on my hips, saying that it's time for you to now apply. Think about it. And calendar year wise, that's actually my last year to apply, because if I missed out on this, I would not be eligible to be a DRR again. I gave it a thought, and then more than giving a thought, I had to take permission from the Home Ministry that I need, like, वो DRR फॉर्म पे प्रेसिडेंट का साइन लगता है, सेक्रेटरी का साइन लगता है, बट वो tangible है, intangibly technically आपको घर वालों का साइन लगता है, like you need that कि एक साल के लिए I'm going to be not easily available to contribute to the house. तो घर का अप्रूवल मिलने के बाद मैंने फाइनली फॉर्म सबमिट किया, एंड that's where things are finally lined up. But I'm sure she'll give you a different perspective as to how it was.
So when on our first date, when we were coming out of the date, is when the No Makeup October, that thing came out, the video came out, and I saw that video, and I knew he was a retractor, and this is something that he's done. And when that video came out, I looked at the video. I'm like, oh, this is the man I'm going to marry, because it was such a great thing that he was doing, and it takes a big heart to do projects like this. So I think when I was with him, I was very inspired that that Rotrack is such a great space to give back to the society, and very young minds are doing that. So that was very inspiring, and I'm I was thinking, oh shit, like I need to join this, because if you do, it's such a great way. You learn so many things, leadership qualities and stuff. And I have seen him grow in these 5 years. Like I've actually seen him grow with the district, and our district has also grown with him, and the people and the friends that we have made through Rotrack. It's amazing. Like I have like a crazy family, a Rotrack family as well. So of course, when he decided to become the DRR, and he was making the form, and I was like, yeah, why not? Because it's a journey. Everybody wants to be. If you join a company, you want to be the CEO of that company, right? And that's how you know that you've done everything to grow in that. And I think for Rotrack, that it is like to become the DRR. It's like you've grown, you've learned, and you've done the best you can. And knowing Rahesh, he's always like that. He wants to do the best that he's, and I am his better half, and I am his wife. So I'm the supportive one, and I have to support him from what he's doing, and I absolutely love it. I think because being be able to influence like almost 5,000 youth, very rarely people get to do that. And when you have such a position, you don't let it go. You work hard for it. So I'm really happy that this is happening, and I'm really looking forward to it, because I will be the first lady, the first lady of 3142. So yay, we're making history.
We've had a first gentleman of 3142. She will be the first.
Yeah.
That's really sweet. That's really sweet. Matlab, itna support, you need that support from your home to be somewhere, or to attain that position. Obviously, whenever like कुछ भी छोटे से छोटा भी चीज हो, like the core decision which I make sure that I have a conversation with my mom and see to it that she is comfortable that I am not going to be available because of college, all these things. So that's really, really sweet. So one last question about Rotrack would be, you said that you were thinking that president ke baad you will leave Rotrack and everything. So what was that, since this year is the game changing year, so what was that one game changing moment of yours that you realized ki nahi yaar iske aage bhi ho sakta hai karke? And like what is like we have heard you in DC, but to the rest of them who haven't heard you, what will be your motive in your DRR year? Like what is that one thing that you're keeping in your mind that is going to take you forward?
All right. So I'll first start off with that game-changing movement that made me decide to stay with Rotrack and continue with Rotrack. Although I was proved wrong, all right, by my presidential year, I felt that जो भी मुझे Rotrack से लेना था, मैंने ले लिया. Whatever I could learn from Rotrack, I have learned. So now that I've learned whatever I could, it's pointless being a part of it. Then I'm just wasting time. I was proved wrong. But at that point of time, somebody spoke to me, and that person told me something that, Raish, if you learned whatever you could learn from Rotrack, don't you think it is your responsibility to stay there, to give it back to those people who are now entering and now need to learn the same thing, you know. So that's one of those game-changing lines. That's another thing that after I decided to stay back, I realized that I had not even touched the tip of the iceberg of what I can learn in road trek. That it's an ever-learning process. Part of being the DRR, I mean, I've worked with 4 DRRs very closely, and now that you know my tenure, technically council interviews, everything start by Jan. So I have this 3 months before you know things start up and start to roll. Things for me also are shaping up, and I'm started to learn that there's so much more to learn in this movement, you know, and it's ever learning. So I was proved wrong, and thank God that I was proved wrong. The second part of your question was, you know, what people need to look forward to the year in when I come on as the DRR. So there are a couple of things. So as I mentioned earlier, that I'm a business advisor, right? So as a business advisor, there's something that you do is known as a gap analysis. All right. So in an organization, you look through the organization and try to identify the gaps and you know places wherein those gaps could be filled with better structure such that it could scale up easily. Uh, Something that I closely monitored, and you know, 3140 had it really well, but after the split from you know 40 to 41 and 42, 42 somewhere got the shorter end when it came to corporate communication and human resource development. All right. And when I say the shorter end, I don't mean to say lack of members or anything like that. I completely say just because geographically, this side, like you know, if you tell a brand that you're doing an event in Navi Mumbai or in Dombivli, their expectations with funding that event also drops drastically low if you tell them you're doing the same event in CST. You know, so that changes, you know, and there's that ideology change that unfortunately geographically we got the shorter end of it. Internally, this is something that I really want to develop.
Okay.
Even the human resource part of it is, um, I don't know, Akshara, if you were fan, I definitely don't think because you were from SIS, so you were definitely not there during 40 time. But the passion and you know the zeal of Rotrack, which was there when it was 40, somehow really diminished, and now and I know this is a talk show, so I can just be like a little I can be a little blunt about stuff like this. um, Things have become a little too political. Things have become a little too and when I say political, wherein right now there's a lot of backbiting and there's a lot of bitching and there's a lot of all of this happening in road track. But the reality is none of us joined this platform for that.
True.
You know, we joined this platform to develop ourselves. We joined this platform to change the world that we live in. We did not join this platform to create a mini universe in itself and have a whole Saas Bahu serial happening within this platform itself. You know, that's not why any of us have taken the time or effort to spend, you know, to be involved with road track. और वो कहीं ना कहीं ये चालू हो गया. Either it is started on a zonal level, is it either started in a club level, club against club. ये बहुत ज़्यादा होने लगा है, and this is something that I've really identified. So one of my focuses is also going to be human resource. That my it's an internal focus, all right. So like obviously the thrust areas are already public. You all know that it's 2 years thrust areas of climate change, mental health. Okay, wow, I went blank on my third thrust area. Environment, climate change, mental health, and I think leadership. We're continuing with those three for 2 years straight. Um, but an internal agenda would be definitely ensuring that you know we work on our HRD. Um, Brand road track or branding road track being one of the thrust areas also goes hand in hand with what I was saying, that we were the shorter end of corporate communications. So ensuring that we brand ourselves well, you know, as 3142, this is something that at least I have aligned for the year to come.
That was really great. Like seeing so many motives in front of us. I guess people will be all pumped up after this episode for the next year and working hard from the second quarter itself ताकि वो लोग next year अच्छे से रह पाए. So I guess the
I
motives
hope
are
so.
really great. They are the need of the hour for us to like all of those things that you stated, that we need to focus upon the HRD and everything. I guess those are really needed because we are an organization who come together to work together and not working separately. So I guess yeah, that's
Exactly. You know, like this is something that I've noticed. Like club competition, इतना बढ़ गया है ना. We are so worried about कि how we compete with other clubs. when we really need to focus that we are here to make a difference. I'm, as say, like, you're from Seaside, I'm from Ronmia. My project is not so that I do better than Seaside in the project. The idea is, if we both even have the same thing, let's do it jointly and let's scale it up massively so that the impact of the project actually does matter. What It doesn't matter who does it, how they do it. What matters is what Costa, he was my DRR,
Yeah.
had this line which was fantastic, and it's like a mantra that I keep following. That at the end of the day, what matters is the lives touched and the smiles spread. That's what really matters, and that's something that everyone needs to go back to. That it's not about कि यार मेरा क्लब का रैंकिंग ये आया, तेरा क्लब का रैंकिंग ये आया, ये क्लब ने ये प्रोजेक्ट किया तो मैं नहीं कर सकता. It's about combining forces and scaling it up. So I think that's my vision for the year 21-22.
That's really great. We'll be looking forward, and अभी से लोग मेहनत करना चालू करेंगे. I'm pretty sure about it. It's been such
I hope
great
so.
motives. Okay, so time for a little fun time and to lighten up the mood from being serious to fun. So we'll be having a rapid fire round, not a rapid fire, but let's see ki who knows each other better. So
Yeah. Okay.
okay, so the first question will be, what is your partner's favorite food?
Favorite food?
Yes.
Okay, you will answer first or I'll answer first?
Favorite food?
I think we should go for cuisine.
Yeah, cuisine.
We'll do
You can say
cuisine.
Okay.
Is it
so-
okay if we do cuisine?
His favorite cuisine is Maharashtrian food. Like that's
Yeah,
that's
and
his favorite.
For her favorite cuisine is Southeast Asian. So anything Southeast Asian, she would love, like sushi, pork and rice, or anything Southeast Asian.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so next will be your favorite holiday destination.
Whoa, that keeps on changing
Yeah,
actually.
But we both have a very particular criteria. That also it's like a general criteria.
Yeah.
She loves okay. I'll have
No,
to answer
no,
yours.
you
You'll
go
have to answer mine. So I'll answer yours. Hers is
Yeah.
beach. If there's a beach involved,
Same.
she's more than.
Yes. And he's more like a backpack. Like we need to like go places and explore. Wherever we
You
go,
got it
we
wrong.
should like go places. Yeah.
You got wrong. Mine would be mountains.
Yeah, mountains. But
Yeah,
we'll go
mine is
back.
always
Yeah,
mountains.
but like the point is wherever we go, like for him it has to be explore each and every area, go places. We don't like to do touristy things. We like to go explore the the core
Yeah.
things of that. Yes. Well, like how to live like the locals. That's
Wow.
the best part. I think I've learned that from him. I used to be very touristy before, and from him, I was like, yeah, man, this is so much more fun doing that, because you get to see the small things which you
True.
don't get to know online.
Exactly. You miss out when you go to that tourist place. You miss out the actual fun. I agree to it.
Yeah. It's like this, and I realized this the other. I actually learned this through Rotaract. Jab people come for ID wise and we've hosted people. The biggest question is बॉम्बे में किधर लेके जाओ यार, गिने चुने तो जगह है, मरीन ड्राइव लेके जाओ, जो पहले 2 क्लब ने होस्ट किया उन लोगों ने लेके
Gateway
गए,
of India.
गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया दिखा दिया, ताज होटल दिखाया कि यहाँ पे 26/11 अटैक्स हुए. Like you have गिने चुने तो चीज है. नवी मुंबई में अगर now obviously I've hosted them in Navi Mumbai, tell them, oh, this is the world's largest planned city, this is Palm Beach Road, this is like there's absolutely nothing touristy to do, and I realized what would be more fun is just telling them what do we do and how do we spend time away, what are the places we hang out with. That makes it more fun, and that's when I realized like even I would like to start doing that in other cities. Like if I was a tourist in Bombay and somebody showed me Gateway of India and all, I would be awed for that one moment. But after that, I would also want to know like how to, because I've heard so much about this city. I would like to see what people do on a day-to-day basis, right?
Wow. That's great. Okay, so the next would be, would you prefer long drive or movies?
Okay, actually, you should target this question to one at a time. So then it will be easier. So who should answer this?
Ma'am, you can
First.
go first. Huh?
Long drive.
And
Yeah,
you?
even for me, I think I'll go for long drives. over-
Wow, that's pretty sorted then. Matlab, movies nahi.
Yeah.
Yeah. That way we become to sync now.
अब वो after getting married, we are almost done with 3 years of marriage यार, तो automatically वो चीजें थोड़े sync हो जाते हैं.
Wow. Okay, so this is pretty interesting now. The qualities that annoys, like for Rahesh it will be for Avantika ma'am, and for her it will be you. So your wish, who wants to go first?
I'm gonna go first.
Okay.
Things that annoy me. Dustbin. Things don't go in that dustbin. Things just stay where they are. I'm like, bro, it's right next to you. Just put it there. That I think that's the most annoying thing. Like that has happened to me. That's it. One annoying thing.
For me, it was something that was annoying, but now it has become something that, like it's part and parcel of marriage. If ever she takes a shower, all the shampoo bottle or the body lotion bottle, all the lids will be open. That will never close. So every time after she's done with the shower, I have to go and then close all the lids. I just stop complaining also about it. Like I think now she just thinks magically elves come and close it, and next day when she goes for a shower again, it's all closed. So then again she can leave it open.
Yeah, we feel the same way about the annoying thing. Now we have to stop saying it and start doing it.
Yeah, at this point of time, it just becomes like autopilot.
Wow. Okay, that's interesting now. That was interesting. Okay, so the last question will be one thing that you would like to change, or maybe he or she has to inhabit that habit in themselves. Not exactly change, but maybe improvement or something like that. Because अभी तो लग रहा है कि ऐसा कुछ change करने के लिए है नहीं आपके faces.
Not as such. I think for both of us, I think for me, I would say we would really like to start putting in like physical exercise and health to be more in our lives. Like we gotta push each other. I mean, I feel that like we need to push each other to do that, because in our daily lives, that's one thing that we are, lacking. Like to get out and do exercise 1 hour, go play a game or do that. Now we got a dog, so now that's actually happened. Like the activity in our lives have increased, but to take conscious effort to tell somebody, I think health, and I would suggest everybody to do that, because in our life we're all so focused on our screen time and working from home.
True.
Have also made us like so much more lazier. And I think physical health is so important, so important. Any form, it could be walking, jogging, any form of game, anything.
Okay, so a piece of advice. Now both of us are Rotarians as well, so we are in the exciting part of Rotary, where in Rotary we are young. However, in Rotaract, I'm not young, I am old. All right. So being an identity crisis of neither here nor there, I actually have to second what Avantika just said. Exercise, when you reach your fag end of your 20s and your early 30s, your body really starts to show signs, because the body that you considered like indestructible, like, I was a person, if I didn't even exercise for like 6 months, if you tell me to do 20 push-ups, it would not be an issue. Now 20 push-ups is like, oh, really 20? Like after 6, it was, that's the thing. So your body doesn't stay the same, it starts to change. And then, as he said, it has to become like a conscious effort for you to do that. And that's, I think, something we both are a little low on, because our schedules are haywire. We have things like, lined up at all given points of the day. I think night is the only time we finally get time. And by then we are so dead tired mentally that there is no energy to do anything physically. So I think, yeah, that's something we both need to improve on.
But we're pushing each other to do it.
Yeah.
So we've started a little. And then we're like,
the house we bought 3 years back. 3 years back, we moved into this house. One of the main reasons was that there's a squash court, there's a swimming pool, there's a gym. The squash court we used for a month. The gym I used twice. The swimming pool we used thrice. It's been 3 years since we moved here.
It will. As ma'am said, you will push each other. So
yeah,
hopefully, yes. Okay, so the last part of it is pointing the finger. You know the game, right? We don't have placards. Agar offline hota to hum karte, but abhi ke liye let's use our fingers. So there are 10 questions with me. You need to be quick. Jo bhi pehla dimag mein aa raha hai, you need to point each other. Okay. Okay. So here we
Point at
start.
yourself if you think it is you,
Like this
and
and like
point
this.
for.
Yes. So here we go. The first question is most annoying person. Okay. Most detail oriented. Most caring. Most,
More caring.
that's so sweet. Okay. Most strict. Okay. Uh, most cleanliness lover. I guess, ma'am. Yeah. Most funny.
What?
Most funny.
Funny.
Funny, huh?
Okay. The one who gossips the most.
Like
He
like
loves it.
at least five
Ah,
other fingers.
okay. So mean. Okay, I gossip, but he loves it. He's like, tell me more. Okay. He likes the gossip, so I can bring him the gossip.
FYI, gossip
Liar.
is when it goes from one place to another. If it's just absorbing it, it's not gossip. It is just taking information. If it
But
goes
you
from there to
enjoying
somewhere,
it. You enjoy it. So that means that you love gossip.
storytelling. I enjoy storytelling.
See? And I enjoy listening to stories. So then it's just storytelling, and let's leave the gossip part altogether.
Okay.
But no gossip for negative space, only positive.
Yeah. So the next is most amazing cook.
Most amazing?
Cook.
Yeah, I think I'll go here as well.
The one who knows about everything in home.
I have to call her even if I have the boys over and she's not there. I have to call her like on speed dial and say, "Amrika, ये किधर रखा हुआ है? मुझे ये नहीं पता किधर है." So I have absolutely no idea where things are in my own house.
And the last one is pretty difficult to guess for us. So it is the most busy person.
Wow. Actually, we can point at
Yeah,
each other.
yeah. I think we can point at each
We
other.
can point at each other because busy again is very relative, right? I mean, we are busy with so many different things.
Exactly.
Busy with housework, busy with each other, busy with homework, busy with work. And because we are like now, it's been work from home, so busy has become so relative because you are doing all the things together and they're all intertwined.
It's
Yeah.
happening simultaneously. I'm doing
Simultaneously.
the next meeting while cooking food, cutting vegetable over here.
Exactly.
And over
So
there,
we're like,
next cut meeting चालू है वहाँ पे video off करके मैं वो कर रहा हूँ. So busy is just been all over the place. Like,
but we do complain. Like last, if I feel like he's being too busy or I'm being too busy, we're like, dude, we are too busy. We need to like take a break and like spend some time together or whatever. So we are very open about the fact that whoever's busy gets to get not busy because it's very tough to get out from the busy space into the not busy space. Very tough, especially in this lockdown.
yeah.
I swear.
You don't know when work starts and when work ends. You're like constantly
Yeah,
work
it's
में
continuous. Like ever
it's
since you wake
continuous,
up till
yeah.
you go to sleep, you're working
Yeah,
actually.
actually.
पहले तो at least ये था कि वो timing रहता था ये घर का काम ये office का काम ये वो अभी सब एक हो गया.
And I think that's for all the entrepreneurs that are there, because we don't have a 9 to 5 job, so it's not like Saturday, Sunday we're off. Like no, we are also doing like if you do social work, you do work. So in terms of work, it's always like I'm painting Saturday, Sunday, or I'm chilling on a Monday, I'm on a beach on a Tuesday. So you don't know what it's called.
Yesterday in the middle of all of this, we went for a protest.
Yeah, we were in a protest,
against
the rape, and we were there, and then came back, and from there went for a meeting, and from a meeting we went for writing emails. So it's just so you're just busy constantly, like.
I think we can change our second names to busy.
Yeah.
I mean, from all the people you know it, like how long have you been trying to get a time? Both the time slot.
Yeah,
you were kind enough to give me that liberty कि आप time बताओ जब भी रहेगा we'll fit it in. So schedules are actually all over the place.
Okay, so since we are over with our game part also, so the last thing is, I guess we all need it. You both, like you are in Rotrax in such a long time, and ma'am has been associated with you, and she's doing all the other works too, as we know that she's a multitasker. So one piece of advice which you both like to give individually to the youth, to the Rotractors or non-Rotractors or whatever. So like whatever you think that it is the need of an hour, I guess it will be really helpful for us too.
Okay, I'll start off. So for me, there's this mantra that I live by, and I keep telling this to everyone. This very second, as I'm talking to you, it's the youngest you will ever be, and it's the most experience that you have ever had. This very second, and each fleeting second is always that one moment that is where you are the youngest you will ever be with the most experience you have ever had. So if it's not this moment to grab an opportunity, that opportunity is never going to come back again. So grab every opportunity that takes you towards your end vision. And the one word that I would want the next generation or the youth to resonate with is the word empathy. I think this world is dying down of empathy. People have stopped being empathetic with each other. We are being divided by race, religion, caste, anything. Like over this lockdown, if you can see what has happened, has been that from Black Lives Matter over there to the Dalits being raped over here in India. It's we are just being divided. People are finding more ways to divide each other, and we shouldn't. Neither our sexual orientation, neither our names, neither anything should divide each other. All we need is empathy. We need people to empathize because each of us are human beings running this race of life in that guinea pig wheel. Just be empathetic because हर कोई वही घिसी पिटी troubles के साथ जी रहा है, and they are all facing their own issues. Just be empathetic with each other. The world will be a much better place, a much better place.
Yeah, I think the same, but I would just add to that become a risk taker. Yeah. I mean, I think people are so afraid of taking risks and so afraid of failures to try something new. And like, okay, there's one thing learning from other people's experience, but it's one thing experiencing it yourself. There is no two people who will do the same thing and have the same experience. So stop being afraid. Like, and I'm born in, I'm an 88 born. So I feel like from then, and I also have students who are younger than me, so afraid of commitment, so afraid of like falling in love, so afraid of being in a relationship, or so afraid of traveling somewhere alone. These things, small things, which are going to become make you who you are tomorrow. It's the risks that you take shape your personality. So don't do that. And like the only way you can find yourself is when you get to do that. So make your own, have your own experiences, tell your own stories, make your own stories, write your own destiny, write your own history, write your own everything. And like let other people's advice, like how we're advising, take their advice, but do your own thing. Like, yeah, do you, be you. Like, so I mean, combine the whole these two advices, man, you're rocking life already. So it's great.
Wow, that's really great. So we are now to the end of the session, and it was really, really great talking to you both. It was my privilege, I would say, that talking to you both. It is so inspiring right now to sit over here and listen to you both. Like I can go on and on listening to you, and it was
Thank you
Pleasure
so
is all ours.
much.
Pleasure is all
Yeah.
ours. Thank you for having us.
And by the way, Akshata, you have a beautiful smile.
thank you.
And I very like infectious, I would say.
Yeah.
So, keep
Thank you.
smiling.
थैंक यू सो मच एंड इट वाज रियली ग्रेट लाइक मुझे लगा नहीं था कि इतना फ्री होके लाइक वी कैन टॉक टू ईच अदर एंड इवन व्हेन आई वाज कॉलिंग हिम इट वाज लाइक कि he must be really busy with other stuffs and all because I have approached other district members too and I know how busy their work schedule is working managing their work life personal life and then this road track and I was like okay wow it was the first call and he said कि हाँ ठीक है हम लोग plan करते हैं जब भी free मिलेगा. It was really sweet of you to take out some time and be here with us and yeah so yeah that's it, we are at the end. Any feedback, negative, positive, whatever it is you would like to give us?
Uh, One thing I would just like to give you all a huge thumbs up. It's really hard in this lockdown as a club to keep coming up with innovative ideas, keep coming up with different ways to engage not just your members but people who you engage with on your social media platforms and whatever. So big thumbs up to you guys, like continue coming up with something new, innovative. I love your club. it's a history that I know a lot of very few of you all who are in the club would know this, that I was once a buddy council member to your club. I was a BCM to Seaside. My mother-in-law, her mother is an inner wheel member of New Bombay Seaside.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so I have like a lot of ties with NBS for quite some years now. In fact, the assistant governor for my Rotary Club is also Manoj sir, who's a past president of Seaside. So a lot of ties with your club. So there's always been a positive and a very healthy relationship with NBS. And kudos to you all here for this beautiful show. Thank you so much for having us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
It's actually, I think, one of the first. I think this is the first show we have done together.
Yeah.
So we have
First
done talk show together as a couple. This has got to be the first show that we've done. We have spoken
Wow.
platforms, panels, wherein we have two separate identities. Say me as a DRR for her, or her as an artist, and all of that we've spoken on multiple platforms. But I think definitely as a couple, as a husband wife, this is, I think, the first time we've spoken anyway. So
Wow,
thank you
this
for
is
giving us
great.
that
This is
opportunity.
exciting. And okay, so we'll just have one photo. Janvi, are you there?
Yeah, one second.
Okay, so this is our club symbol. Can you just do this?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Janvi, just let us know when you're done.
Yeah. I'll click 2 just in case.
Ha.
Yeah, done.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Sudha, you actually do have a very nice smile, yeah.
It's infectious.
It gave me a complex right now because I'm sitting next to her, and that photo is going to look really bad for me just because of relativity. Like, had that been okay with just me doing it, it would have been a different thing. But now, because of relativity, I'll look even worse.
No, it was thank you so much for having coming here and giving us your time. It was really great having you. Thank you.
Thank you for having us. It was
Pleasure was
lovely.
all.
So if ever you want to do 2.0, we'll be ready. So
Done. And we'll send you the link whenever it gets uploaded. We'll send you the link. Go and watch it.
Will
Thank
do.
you.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
so much.
Bye.
Bye.